The city of Georgetown is planning to create a human rights commission after its recent passing of a fairness ordinance. The ordinance protects people in the LGBTQ community from discrimination.
The local commission will look into complaints and decide how to deal with people who discriminate. LEX18's Alex Valverde reports.
Georgetown is taking another step towards ending discrimination in its community. Back in September, it was the 13th city in Kentucky to pass a fairness ordinance, which protects the LGBTQ community against discrimination when it comes to jobs, housing, and public services. Stemming from that, the city now plans to create a human rights commission, which will hear complaints of discrimination based on sexual orientation or gender identity.
The two new protected classes in the Fairness Ordinance are created by local ordinance. Those protections do not exist at the federal level, and today they don't exist at the state level in Kentucky. This is a local ordinance, a local protection, so it's appropriate that we have a local commission.
The commission will be made up of 5 members appointed by Mayor Tom Prather. When a complaint is legitimate, the commission will decide how to deal with the accused individual or business.
They have the authority to assign some financial penalties within a very strict range that ranges $100 to $500 and to ask people to change their behavior.
The accused can appeal the decision to the circuit court. Additionally, the commission may come up with how to handle false complaints. City Council still needs to give final approval before the commission will be created, and they expect to do that at their next meeting. Prather hopes to have the commission ready by the beginning of next year. In Scott County, Alex Valverde, LEX18 News.
Since Georgetown passed its fairness ordinance, for sales in Bellevue have also adopted fairness ordinances.